Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I've got my hands on this illusion puzzle. So it has these two boards inside and I'll show how it works. So this is puzzle 1 and then there is puzzle 2. This is the first puzzle. This is an extra square that we have to fit in this square. Okay, so I will open the seal and then we'll start making it. I wonder if I would ever be able to do this. So this is also a puzzle. I don't know what has to be done in this one. Okay, so here we have it. This is puzzle number 1 and puzzle number 2. I need an extra set of eyes and hands, so I am asking my son to help me. Could you please open the seal? Could you please do it here so that I can show it in the camera? Thank you. You think you're gonna open it from there? I was thinking if you can poke your nails somewhere here. See, like this.
Okay.
And then tear it. Be careful. That small piece shouldn't fall out. Also, tell me what is the material? Is it wood or plastic?
Looks like wood.
Does it? Show me the small piece.
Yeah, it is wood. That is definitely wood.
Yeah, it feels like wood.
Yeah, and also the texture on this side is wood too. Because they didn't do the coloring on that side.
Okay, so we'll put the pieces here so that we don't lose them, okay? If they fall out.
Okay.
Okay, so just memorize this. We have 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
okay. Do you think you
7.
can make it?
Yes.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay.
They do actually have a picture over here, but I didn't see it. I hid it the moment I saw it was in the box. I would want to first use my brain. I just want to give you a hint because I remember seeing a video online that this square actually ends up in the middle somewhere.
No, wait.
This square ends up in the middle somewhere.
Wait, in the middle? Okay. Maybe this.
Yeah, maybe. And then maybe this thing has to go here.
That's exactly what I was about to say.
Okay.
Okay, and now I don't think there's
I
gonna be
want to
any
see
left
that
over.
magnifying glass on top. Okay. Now,
Okay.
can you bring it here? My camera keeps on losing the angle.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Pretty close.
I don't think this is fitting. Will this fit? That part does, this part do not.
How about 1 second? This covers like the remaining.
Okay.
This can also be upside down, maybe.
I'd say over here.
Yeah, that's possible. Do we have a triangle that goes in here? No, we don't.
We have this.
How about we turn it around? Oh, look, my camera was facing somewhere else. Nah.
Let's put this up.
No,
Wait,
but we don't have a
actually,
triangle for this place.
no, I think. Oh, we could put this here,
Okay, great.
and now there's a whole half extra space. So we can put the. Wait, technically, if we wanted, we could fit it slightly a bit in this. Maybe
But technically,
that's
this is still leaving space here. What if it's not supposed to be there?
There's doesn't seem like there's much else. Wait. We'll see later.
Okay.
But actually, maybe it might be here. But actually, no, that would make no sense because then no piece would be able to fit perfectly in here.
Yeah, I was also thinking that.
Um,
Oh,
this fits right there. Hold up.
can you like put it on the other side? Put it upside down, maybe it fits.
Uh,
Is that the last piece?
I'd say this is pretty close.
Is that the last piece?
No, we also have this.
Okay.
Maybe we have to put this around here and then. Huh? Maybe we can put this here and then this here and move this here.
Maybe I was wrong about the square being in the middle. I just remembered it from some video that I watched, I think some months ago, when we didn't have this.
So you lied?
You don't talk to your mother like that.
Maybe we actually have to do something like this.
Maybe you can give it a try. I think I'll stop the video here, and once we are done making it, then we can.
No.
Oh, I just got an idea. What if, can you put that back? What if this interlocks like this? There's no space.
Yeah.
Maybe on the other side.
Yeah.
No. I think we were doing the right thing. 1 second. Yeah, maybe like this. And then we have this goes here.
I was thinking something similar, but for
Wait. And this?
And this can go here, and then we can put this here. Wait, this is the exact same thing we started with.
Really? And then the square is missing again. So this was like 6 minutes and 40 seconds
I'm
later.
pretty sure we're not supposed to leave any space at all. I don't think we're supposed to leave. Wait, actually, I think I know a way.
But we don't
that
have
we
a
want.
straight strip, so we can't put it there. Maybe we start off something like this.
No, I don't think so. Maybe you were right about the middle,
Yeah,
but maybe not.
But maybe we were doing it all wrong, because they all can be turned around in the other direction. So maybe we were putting it in some different direction. How about you try to leave this and then make the rest?
Yeah, this is pretty big.
No, like we leave this as a big triangle of 1/4 of. But this actually, see, doesn't fit exactly. This is a slightly. Look here. This
Yeah,
orange
I
is slightly
realized.
smaller than.
I realize
Maybe
that.
it's this one. This one looks better. Maybe it fits in here. This is a better size. I thought since we were good with Tangerine, we'll be able to do this, but this is actually harder than it looks.
Hopefully this fits.
Does it?
Wait, actually, yeah, we could do something like this. Maybe it's just a different piece that we put
Yeah,
over there.
maybe at the
Yeah,
end.
actually, I think it's like this.
Look, maybe at the end we have some black spots visible from
Something a bit
base.
smaller, like this. No, can't be that. It's hollow from that side.
1 second. Remember when we make Tangerine, there's a square that's made with two big
Wait, it can
triangles.
be. Wait, actually, no, it can't be this because then this space would be left over.
Why was this triangle out of the... 1 second, no. God.
Maybe it's multiple pieces.
What
put
are we
here.
even doing?
Trying to solve a puzzle that we clearly don't know how to do.
Okay, I'm pausing the video.
No.
This is
Don't pause it. What if I get it right while you're not even recording?
Then we can do it all over again on record.
No.
That's how normal people make videos.
That won't
Since
be
we are
fun.
not normal, we just record everything as it is and post it as it is.
I think that we're supposed to do it like this and something fits there.
Okay. We can give it a try. One sec.
Wait.
I don't know what occurred to me. Something actually sparked in my brain, and the moment I picked that piece up, I forgot what I was thinking.
Maybe it's a different.
Oh, and that's just
actually,
one puzzle.
yeah, it's
we
probably
have
like
one more. This looks easy.
this one.
Will this actually work? What do you think?
Yeah, that looks way easier. Wait, is there an extra piece we have to fit?
No, but I think
Okay, then that's easy.
this is identical rectangle illusion. According to this picture, we just have to swap these pieces. I don't know if that is the case. What are they showing here? They're showing an arrow over here. Is it supposed to be something like this?
This seems hard.
I know. And just by the way, whoever's watching, this child here is very mathematically gifted. He's very calculative with everything, and he is generally excellent at making puzzles. So when he was like 1 year old, he was already making puzzles. Before he started talking, he was able to fix puzzles and find correct pieces. And when he was 1.5, I remember his teacher told me that she gets puzzles from older grades, like he was in EY0, and then she used to get them from EY1. Then that was easy for him, so she used to get it from EY2, then EY3, and then he was able to make all of them, like 48-piece puzzle or something, at the age of 1.5 or 2. So he's excellent at it, and he's having tough time fixing this. So this thing is actually hard. What would you like to say about this? Did I just brag about you? Is that true or not?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Do you think you'll be able to make it?
Yes.
MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, I forgot to say that. I think I need to pause it for now. Once you know how it's done, then I'll restart, okay?
No.
This is too long.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay, so guys, I'm pausing the video here, and then we'll restart once we know what to do. And I'll let you know how long it took after I paused.
So seconds, maybe 1 minute after we left.
Yeah, so guys, right when we stopped the video, it took just a few seconds, and you know what happened? I'll tell you what exactly happened.
Yeah, she said that my mother said that she found out that these fit perfectly and they make this rectangle shape. So I just thought that the only place it could really fit was in the middle, and then I realized that this space was couldn't fit either of these, but it was perfect for these. So I put these both together in the middle, and then I realized that this is a lot of space, probably enough for all the other things. So I put this here, I put this here, and then there was enough space, also more, to put this in.
Perfect. And also remember that when we make tantrum, there is half of it with two big triangles like this. So once this was solved, this was like a piece of cake for us, right? It literally took a few seconds after we paused the video.
No,
so
it was actually this part that
Was
and this was actually the part where so we finished in a
and
few
now that we've
seconds.
done it, it looks like it's so easy. How about we take them all out again?
Yeah, like I didn't realize
fix
that
it
there
like
would be
this.
this much extra space. Like I
Hey.
can move it so much, but I actually thought of a different idea.
I'm
It's
saying
something
that we
similar
can put
to
it
a.
back over here and then we can give it to Arsh to make it, and let's see how long he takes to fix it.
Wait, actually, I had a different thing in mind. I realized a lot of other questions like this is solutions.
So there could be more possibilities of fixing.
No, like they're kind of like trick questions.
Hey, wait, they
So
have
I-
this sheet now that we have
Wait,
made it.
where's
Let's
that mini one?
see. Oh, this is exactly how they have made it. So is this the only possibility?
What?
Or there might be more? This is exactly how we did.
I don't know if there's more.
You can try. And when you think you're done, then you let me know. If you find another possibility, I'll make a video of that as well. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Wait.
What? You want the guys to wait? Okay, guys, wait for him to do this. Please hang on. Are you actually making another possibility?
One sec.
Oh, is this the one we started off with?
Wait.
Was it different? Was it this?
One sec.
One sec, I want to see what you just did. Was it? You actually made a different possibility, I guess. That wasn't how it was fixed earlier. That won't fit. Oh, no, this is exactly the same thing. This actually is the same thing. It's just on the other side of the tray. We don't have a small tiny triangle to fit in here. Okay, guys, I think we're done for now. I don't think they're watching by now. I think they've left. If you are still watching, please comment below. Okay, tell my
Okay,
son
but
that
can
you're
you
here.
just continue the video for if they are watching?
What did you just do here? Did you just forcefully poke it in? Yeah, the pointy part is actually popping out. Okay, guys, so I am going to end the video here because I'm tired and we will
No,
do this
you're
later.
not tired. You can't be
Yeah,
tired.
I'm tired.
No,
You can continue making
no,
the puzzle.
you are not tired.
And thank you guys for
I said you're not
watching.
tired.
Thank you for bearing
I said
with
you're not
us.
tired.
Okay, take
I said
care.
you're not tired.
Bye bye.